It is finally here, the DIMO LTE R1. This thing's going to earn you as many rewards as the AutoPie and more rewards than the Macaron. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting it up. I'm going to show you how to do all that, as well as we are doing a giveaway. So we in the previous video, we are still doing a giveaway. It's still active. It has to hit 100 likes and I'm giving away a DIMO Macaron. In this video, when it hits 100 likes, then I'll pick someone from the comments and we will give away my old DIMO AutoPie. So if you're interested in that, be sure to enter both giveaways. Anyways, we're going to start with a quick little unboxing. I'm not on my couch right now because I didn't think it would take too long to unbox this. And there it is. So now all we need to do is go plug it into your car. And by the way, guys, if you want to buy your own DIMO Macaron, if you don't win that giveaway or something, then use my code MattLong6 to get you 10% off your DIMO purchase. So now let's head on over to the car. Okay guys, so we're in the car here, and if you would like to know more about DIMO, specifically about the LTE R1, then definitely go check out the first video I did. We're gonna put it somewhere up here. And because I talk about the LTE R1 and everything that you need to know about that. And if you want to know more about their brand new update, DIMO 2.0, take a look at this video. The first thing we're going to need to do to get started to making sure that this DIMO is all set up and ready to go and you're earning rewards is to download the app. Now the app for some reason is black, not sure, because after I downloaded it, it's red and white, which are the new color schemes that they're going for. So let's go ahead and open up the app. Also guys, do not forget to use my code. If this is the first time you downloaded the app and you're creating an account, to use my code and we will both get 50 DIMO tokens for free just by using my referral code. Now do keep in mind that's separate than the 10% off deal for actually buying it, so you can use both codes. So this first part of the video is going to be if you already have a DIMO device and you're upgrading from maybe a Macaron or something. If you have the AutoPie, I don't think you really need to upgrade, but if you have the Macaron, maybe consider it, but only maybe. And if you don't have a DIMO Macaron, then you can skip this part of the video. So if you have a DIMO already and you want to upgrade to the LTE R1 using the same car and stuff, what you're going to need to do is go to Garage and then scroll on down to Connections and then Remove Connection and then Delete Connection. Now it's going to be okay because you're going to re-add a connection to your car, so you shouldn't lose your streak for mining rewards. So now to add a new DIMO device, go to Garage, scroll up, and you may have to add a brand new car if you haven't already. I've already added a car, so I'm just going to go to my car here, scroll down to Connections, and connect a new device. Connect to a DIMO device. Now I don't have the app. That would be, I think, for Tesla, maybe some other cars that can download apps. I have the LTE R1, so we're going to use a DIMO device on top. And let's go ahead and start pairing. And make sure to plug it in. It will pop up some colors and stuff, and turn on your car. Now that it's powered on, let's go ahead and click it, and it's searching for the device. Now make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now it found the device. Let's go ahead and connect it. Pair. Yes, pair. Then proceed with setup. Now go ahead and watch this cool animation of the car building itself, and this can take up to 60 seconds. Okay, so it's having an issue finding my VIN number. It'll tell you can fill out the form memory and stuff, but it does have my VIN here on the bottom, so I'm just going to select that. Now let's link vehicle ID and device. Then it's going to ask you to put in your password, but in this case my thumbprint biometrics. There you go, now you're connected. Let's go ahead and hit OK. There you go. It says that is now connected. That's awesome. So now if you want to see the rewards that it's earning you, you would go to rewards down here, and it will tell you everything. If you want to know more information about what a week streak is and stuff, and anything about DIMO and how to earn rewards, definitely take a look at this video. And guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and drive back home, and I'll see you there. Well, there goes my camera. That is the DIMO LTE R1. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Do not forget to join the giveaway for this video, for the previous video, and for the star plug video if the giveaway is still active. And guys, don't forget to use my code MattLong6 if you're going to be buying your own DIMO device to get 10% off. And if you download the app for the very first time, be sure to use my code there as well, so that way we both get some free DIMO tokens to start out with. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to watch my monthly live streams we do here once a month on the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Peace. Of course, I dropped it, sorry.